Welcome to the in front of me OnePlus Nord SE2, and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Fit on this device. So as can you see, in my case the Google Discover is activated, and now just when I'm swapping with my finger to the right side, I can activate the Google Fit here. Okay, I just forget to connect to the internet. One moment please. Sorry, I'll just enter the password out of screen here, and now you can see the Google Fit here, it's activated. And just to turn off this feature, you should hold for a while your device screen, and here on the right down corner click to the more settings. Notice here we got the Google switcher, Google Discover switcher. Turn off the switcher. Just click once here to turn it off, and now as can you see, when I'm swapping with my finger to the right, I just can enable the and open the Google Discover. And if you want to just turn it on again, by the same way, go into the settings here, click once again on the Google Discover by click here on the switcher, and as can you see, the Google Discover is activated. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.